Okay, so let's see how you did on the practice. Hopefully it wasn't too taxing for you. The first one, you are solving for x, and to get x by itself, we have to get rid of the positive 16. The additive inverse for a plus 16 is minus 16. So we're going to subtract 16 on both sides of the equals and draw our line. When we do that, the positive and the negative 16 cancel, and the x comes down, the equals comes down, and negative 2 plus negative 16 is negative 18. That's your first one. Hopefully you did okay on it. Your second example, I should have space here, is m plus 18 equals negative 13. And again, we're trying to get m by itself. So what we need to do is get rid of this plus 18. We're going to subtract 18 from both sides to do that. When we subtract, we have a positive and a negative. Those cancel. Those are your additive inverse. And then negative 13 plus negative 18 is a negative 31. Now we're going to see how this changes up a little bit. Different way. Oops, that should be a 3. Excuse me. 5 plus t equals 7. So I'm sure you know the answer to this. 5 plus 2 is 7, but showing the work is super important. So what we're going to do is we need to get rid of this positive 5. We're going to subtract 5 on both sides of equals. We're going to draw our line. 5 minus 5 cancels. T comes down, equals comes down, and 7 minus 5, or 7 plus negative 5 is positive 2. Last practice problem was number 4, negative 8 plus y equals 17. We have a negative here. We need to get rid of our negative. We're going to do that by making a positive. So we're going to plus 8 on both sides of equals. Draw your line. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. That cancels. Bring your y down. That's your additive inverse. And then 17 plus 8 is a ripe old 25. Contact me if you have questions. Make sure you're showing your work just like this. No shortcuts. This is how your work needs to be. And progress to the next section.